Mackenzie, and today we're making fluffy slime. So what you'll need is a bowl, a spatula, glue, hand cream, food coloring, tablespoons and measuring cups, shaving cream, and activator. First, we're going to start by taking our glue. We're going to put it all in, make sure that it's all in the bowl. Okay. Now we're going to take a cup of shaving foam. You can give it a shake first. We're going to put all the shaving foam in our bowl. We're going to grab our spatula to make sure all of our shaving foam is out. Next, we're going to take a tablespoon of lotion. I'm going to put it in the bowl. Next, we're going to take our food coloring. I'm going to take blue because blue is my favorite color. We're going to add 4 drops of blue food coloring. Now we're going to grab our spatula. We're going to mix all of our things together. Make sure you get all the edges and that it's all mixed in. Now we're going to take our activator, which you can also use baking soda and eye contact solution, and we're going to add 2 tablespoons first. Now we're going to mix. It's already coming together. You can see it forming a little bit, turning into slime. Make sure you mix very, very well so all your solution is into your slime. We're going to add another tablespoon. It's getting harder to mix. Looks like this. It's kind of pulling off the edges a little bit. We're going to add 1 last tablespoon. Starting to form more into a ball. I'm going to go in with my hands because I think it's mostly ready. You just have to massage it and make sure you knead very well. There you go. You have slime. Bye!